फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो आज की हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं क्लास 8th एसएस का वर्कबुक चैप्टर नंबर 13 ह्यूमन रिसोर्स का पार्ट टू में हम लोग करने वाले हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 से। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 or 2 सेंटेंसेस। विच टाइप ऑफ पीपल डेवलप द रिसोर्सेज अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर नीड्स। तो आंसर है द पीपल हु आर हेल्दी, well educated, cultivated, intelligent and considerate develop the resources according to their needs. Second number, what is the meant by the pattern of the population distribution or the division of the population? Answer is the manner in which the population is spread across the surface of earth. Example, the continents of the earth is called pattern of population distribution or division of population. Now question number 3, where is the highest population density of the world? Answer है the highest population density of the world is in South Central Asia, East Asia and Southeast Asia. Question number 4, which area are densely populated of the world? Answer है Southeast Asia, Europe, Northeast और North America are densely populated areas of the world. Question number 5, why does the man always prefer to live in the plain area? So the plain areas are suitable and useful for agriculture, industry and service activities. Question number 6, in which type of climatic region a man usually avoid to live? Answer है usually a man avoid to live in extreme hot or cold region of the continental climate. Question number 7, which river plains are the areas of dense population? Answer है the plains of Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra river to India, China and Nile river of Egypt are the fertile the plains which are densely populated. Question number 8, which is the largest state in world in terms of area? What percent of country population live here? Answer है in terms of area, Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Only about 5.66% of country's population here. Question number 9, what is the percentage of young population of the total population in India and Gujarat? Answer is the percentage of young population in 19.4% of the total population of India, 19.45% of the total population of Gujarat. Question number 10, how can the sex ratio be expressed by a formula? So the sex ratio can be expressed by the following formula. Sex ratio equals to female population upon male population into 100. Question number 11, state the formula of literacy rate. तो literacy rate का formula है literacy rate equals to population of literacy person age 7 year upon May population of 7 year age of more and above. Question number 6, write names the following 5 states having the highest population density in India: Bihar, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Second number, 5 states having the lowest population density in India. Answer है Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Sikkim, Nagaland and Manipura. Question number 3, 5 states where the number of the females is more than the males in India. Answer है Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Manipur and Chhattisgarh. Question number 4, 5 states where the number of females is less than the males in India. So Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Question number 5, 5 states having the highest literacy rate in India. Answer है Kerala, Mizoram, Goa, Tripura and Himachal Pradesh. Question number 6, 5 states having the lowest literacy rate in India. Answer है Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Now explain the concept of the following words. Question number 1, sex ratio. The proportion of males is high in our country. At the beginning of the 20th century, the sex ratio in India was 972 females per 1000 males in 1901 AD. If the following indicates the rate. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, जिसमें आपको पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी के बारे में लिखना है, तो इंडिया हैज़ अ एवरेज पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी ऑफ 382 पर्सन पर स्क्वायर किलोमीटर एज पर द सेंसस ऑफ ईयर 2011 वेरियस द वर्ल्ड एवरेज पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी इज 54 in 2011 person per square kilometer. The highest population density is in Southeast Asia. Question number 3. Literacy. If a person aged 7 years or above who can read and write at least one language with understanding, then he is considered as a literate. The rate of the number of literate person is called literacy. Question number 8 इसमें आपको डिटेल में आंसर देना है. Question number 1. Describe the role of any two factors affecting the population distribution. आंसर आप लोग का The major factors which affect the population distribution are as follow. First number geographical factors. तो सबसे पहले है टिपोग्राफी, जिसको फिजियोग्राफी भी कहते हैं. The topography of any region intensively affect the population distribution. Example: men always prefer to live in plain rather than in mountains and highlands or plateau because these areas are more suitable for agriculture. Industries and service activities. Example: the areas along the banks of Ganga river and most densely populated areas of the world, while the mountainous region of the Andes, Himalayas, etc. are sparsely populated. सेकेंड नंबर में आता है आपका क्लाइमेट. क्लाइमेट में the area which are very hot or are chilling, cold and favorable for human habitation. Example: the Sahara Desert of Africa, the polar region of Russia, northern Canada, Antarctica continent, etc. have very diverse climates, so the people avoid to live there. Now third आता है आप लोग का soil के बारे में. Fertile soil is suitable for agriculture. The fertile plains such as Ganges and Brahmaputra in India, Hawang Ho and Yangtze in China and in Nile in Egypt are densely populated. Now एक last number आता है आपका water. People prefer to live in the areas where fresh water is easily available. The river valleys of the world are densely populated, while desert areas are very sparsely populated. 5 number mineral. Mineral rich regions are more populous. Diamond mines of South Africa and discovery of oil in the Middle East lead people to settle in this area. तो ये था आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 डिटेल का. फर्स्ट नंबर का इसमें एक ही डिटेल था जो आपका पूरा हो चुका है. तो यहाँ पे आपका इसी के साथ चैप्टर नंबर 13 का भी फिनिश होता है ये आपका चैप्टर. तो अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद है इसे लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. जय हिंद, जय भारत.